Hello, welcome to Juicy News Channel, hot news all time. All over the world, people are grappling with the growing COVID-19 pandemic. Deaths due to the coronavirus have soared as hospitals manage high demands with the effort of the government. In a bid to ensure safety from contracting the coronavirus, billionaire Osei claimed despite's son, Kennedy Osei, and his wife Tracy shared a photo wearing designer face mask. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and bell the notification icon. Now let's continue. Kennedy Osei and his wife Tracy are still making waves even after their luxury wedding. Kennedy, who recently celebrated his wife's birthday on April 14, shared beautiful photos of Tracy and sweet birthday message. He wrote, "Happy birthday, my love. May your life be filled with loving memories. May you be as happy as you always make me. I love you, Mrs. Osei." At April's Varian. Photos of Kennedy and his wife Tracy rocking designer nose masks and flaunting furnishing in their gorgeous home have dropped. Nearly 2 months after their blissful nuptial, Kennedy Asante and his gorgeous wife are still dominating headlines because it appears many are interested in their stories. Kennedy and Tracy's wedding became the most talked about ceremony in town and made massive waves online. The son of business mogul Dr. Osei claimed Despite and the general manager of Despite Media, Kennedy Osei has also showed off his sense of fashion in latest photo. Juicy News spotted a photo online which shows Kennedy Osei following his father's footsteps as he donates some items to help fight the deadly coronavirus pandemic. What really caught our attention aside the donations is his dressing, just like how Queen Elizabeth wears nose mask matching with her dress color. Kennedy Osei also wore a nose mask which matched his shirt color. Almost everyone who chanced upon his post had their attention drawn to his dressing, as some social media users admired his great sense of fashion in the photo. The couple returned weeks after leaving the shores of Ghana to spend quality time together after their plush wedding. They are seen in a face mask and gloves amidst coronavirus pandemic. Alright. Guys, you will hear from me in my next video. Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.